Good day! My name is Makisig Mendoza. I'm a former student of Ma'am Charlene sa Alabat Island National High School. I'm currently taking the Bachelor of Science in Nursing program dito po sa Kalayan Educational Foundation Incorporated in Lucena City. So, to start it off po, Ma'am Cha was our advisor in senior high school. She handles research with passion and integrity. You could even say that she's a person by the book. Meaning to say na si Ma'am Cha po ay exceptional pagdating sa pagre-review ng mga research papers na pinapasa namin during our time under her supervision. Pag may nakita si Ma'am na mistakes or mishaps, she'll immediately inform and guide us at the same time habang consultations pa namin. Actually, on some occasions nga po, nagmo-multitask pa ito si Ma'am Cha. Ginagawa ni Ma'am Cha yung thesis niya habang tinuturuan kami kung paano next steps sa establish namin na research paper. And get this, no? She had no trouble doing all of that. Kahit busy siya, nabigyan pa rin niya ng time kaming mga students niya. And after witnessing that, I can confidently say na devoted si Ma'am Cha, both as a researcher and as a teacher. One time po, habang nagklase kami, si Ma'am Cha, pinakita niya yung research niya, natapos niya, along with her mobile application. It was called, if memory serves, it was called PR2 E-Guide. Yeah, Practical Research 2 E-Guide. As stated by its name, this application's purpose is to guide students in creating a successful and fulfilling research. From the right process of constructing chapters 1 to 5 to useful advices and inspiring app quizzes. Kahit ngayon po, I admit na ginagamit ko pa rin yung application ni Ma'am Cha. Kasi in a lifetime of researching, I can vouch that this app that Ma'am Cha created is a timeless masterpiece. Be it former students niya, like me for example, or incoming students pa na gagamit nito.